Mema Oya Kwaba Eba GC News. Hot news all time. Latest hot news. And I'm a Bremo. A year Hopeson Adorye Wakopi on one of the radio stations on MPP Wako. I just said it's my super and Yasan. We cannot we are catches at TV in Abemo. Emma Aye and Simpy, dance and Nsem in Abebano. Let's just say, so we unsubscribe to the channel now. Let's just say over subscribe. We are say over click and subscribe button. Da wabele notification. When I saw video for Phobia and upload also was every can be. After we are now like a video, give us a thumbs up. Nothing was share my offer for so now when you be now warrior. After you Boakye and Nsem. Hopeson Adorye movement for change or Kasama Kojo Kyeremanteng. Now na Hopeson Adorye gase omo propaganda binam ala say propaganda binam say amafo ne kasai party cho say be ya obesa ba MPP o say enye no kre no enya dia obesa ba MPP na no na ye MPP ni papa akọ sa sem na Hopeson kan no e na wo kire say ala no enya dia bia be party cho ene o ne Hopeson we kana we akana papa e yusu west bia kire say Hopeson say odi ala na tem na ho so akita bi e dia kire no kire say enye asante to ho na ye sem na tente ma input ti komo e ko so Afriyie Hopeson any MPP ni papa ko awon ko pure radio station just say it was super nti Nsem akoso
Hopeson me chawa wie na mahu sana nsen wani abrepa na medimani adi wachi mehwe ne a oye ne a woka na media duru me bia menya won wunhia nka futu a medebe ma wane se eduru me bia se ne mpanifo ka no ya na oye aduebo san se mpanimfo say
you are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Sano yenkano. Sanse.
So the question I submission.
No, I'm making submission. And I believe he will take
the opportunity to submission.
No, miso miso. What am I mean?
Pesa jana minya kweka yina kwazo. Na sa ensana wodi aduane beche obi anomu. Nipa no so ekotu aduane na afra po mu aso aba no. Anenzo so wodwene ho.
Okay, afima nkana semwe.
So, now you see a week or just less than a year ago. Sa en sakruya nipa ya wudi na chi na obon to ama no se. Ono mom emra media ni mu na omeye flag bearer. O kan se onu mu na better. You never saw anything wrong with the ensana na efidi mu wo ene ye nyina no. So na Mama nusi. No, but you see, when you do that, I prolong it.
Point of interest.
Hold on.
Point of interest.
Let me place it on record. MPP network anima medi. MPP government.
No one is saying that.
Meba, hold on. Wo nya baby je kan wu kan mu no bidim. Kan na wu kan mu no. I am aware.
Oh baby, no one saw me because I was doing my good work. Okay.
On Kamu baby, and don't know you papa.
It's never true. It's never true. I know they all creative. You see that propaganda is right, but it's no problem. I'll respond
let me put this on record. I was working and the pay I was taking. Are you aware of that? Civil servant pay, that means the politicians pay. Civil servant pay. I was there 1 year, 3 months. Stop saying the hand that was feeding you. I am 54 years. Would you 1 year, 3 months in the free moa, and your party not feeding me? So stop that.
Okay,
the analogy I make cannot end.
No, they say stop that statement.
I'm making a point, but what you're saying is different from what I'm saying.
What is that statement, bro?
What he is saying is different from what I'm saying.
Also, than the party, so
it doesn't matter. And
the government is only less than 8 years. So how could the party be feeding him?
I'm not saying it's a party feeding no.
The government be feeding
party
him.
No, ye nyina ye di akire or no, wa benefit wo mu, ontimi nka benefit wo mu. And anu ye, papa ya odi na chi eye alan. He was campaigning for him say, "O meye flag bearer of the party." And na okoye no kohwe from ti ya birim. Sa hopes ya the yodium over when he knew that Alan was not going to win. And yes, he was telling the whole world that Alan was going to win. And they almost look at the propaganda make say. Ebimo and people will be say, yeah, the pa Alan chose on some party. I am putting it on record. It is never true. Alan, no one is going to beg him. Oh, you see, that is the figment of Alan's own imagination. He's trying to put some impression in, you see, when people are suffering from what we call,
don't speak out of ignorance.
Let me make this point. No, Mami, you see, when...
Anna, former Speaker of Parliament, Eko Kojo Kyeremanteng. So don't speak out of ignorance. Me, I'm in OTA. Adagabre, or Provokumi and Sama Meka, you should stop it. Last 2 Sundays, the national chairman met me in Kumasi. Do you know the conversation that went on? So,
you see, Hopeson. You don't need to talk about politics. You see this kind of emotion, I know that almost try Alan Yodo. I'm a papa mistake,
Why make a telling point to be why make a telling point to be 2 questions we say. Do you know the entire former Speaker of Parliament or called Chief Kojumpi Nifiana? I say my main cancer, National Chairman costume you kumase.
That behavior way and the Bema report.
It is never true. Look, NPP is going to win. Bawumia will win. Yeah, record that Bawumia settled this year. I'm telling you, it will shock everybody. It will shock now over to say. You see, let me tell you, Alan is suffering from what we call delusion of grandeur. That delusion of grandeur and
this is nonsense. This is
important that everybody should go and beg him, but no one is going to do that. Alan, and that is what he's suffering from. He's suffering from delusion of grandeur. He feels that way important to be a panic. But let me tell you, NPP is moving on.
Is it not?
He is important. It's a party in Yan Tammy and Women. I'm telling you, see, that day when you come over. We have moved past that.
1991. Tama country no prepare for the Fourth Republic.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Abuja Club. No mumiti ewa adabraka makuma no office. That time na Bawumia papa ye PNDC chairman. Omo be form meeting na soja boy omo hwahia. Enti se omo pa obi betima park ne car wo car pride. Na wanantia e dia bada braka. Omo be form meeting na soja boy omo hwahia. Alan offered his office. I was his way. That time young man, manager of UNC departmental stores. I almost started a Boko meeting. I was Alan office. His office, they put documents together to register the party, New Patriotic Party. What the other more
come on. I use appropriate.
And this is what is going. This is what is causing Alan. Attitude they are all portrayed.
The adjectives now also so no. What they describe what Alan no. Most unfair.
Why is it unfair?
Oh, come on. Delusional grandiose no. Inappropriate.
It is not inappropriate.
No, you don't.
You see what I mean? What I mean to say is that because penny na say we behave we say akwara ya to born man no watch born na moto ntina ya part and born to
no, you don't do that.
And that's what he's doing.
No relevance in the tradition.
No one is denying that. No one is disputing that.
Also among Alan records.
Alan records. Apart from that, yet party the way no. One more what you way, or you aware, say young executive forum, and the so party no more bedroom baby. He's aware. The first headquarters of Mutoye, Alan Pika, and also Muba. He's aware. He's aware. Gyapa Fourth Republic. Bawumia Papa was Council of State for 8 years. He's away. So what are you talking about?
Okay,
what are you talking about? Please.
You see,
okay, and to Mumiamra, ground rules, no. Peter Misro, don't use words that are insulting to the person of Alan.
Okay.
Why insult Alan and very reply?
Yeah, Hopeson also so no.
Why insult Alan and very reply? No,
I cannot insult. I can never insult him.
We are in agreement. Say, then you use words that are insulting to the person of any top personality. Name mumuni per ideas. Nanonwa. Mumu kodi mu se hunu wia. Na me na mu na mu di adamu ye London.
No, but you see,
I can drive there and sit in the studio with him.
I would jai. Why do you think it's NSS MP before at any stage encourage and motivate Senka or make me draw Alan Kyeremanteng back to the fold?
You see, near Alan Aye, this is not the first time I be. He did the same thing in 2008, and that caused the whole party to lose power. What Alan did in 2008, and I lose power. Because he portrayed a picture to the whole world, say the front of the party in 2008 was not united because he left the party. He wanted people to come and beg him. Literally, we begged him before he came back. And he thought he's going to get the same thing. And when this time, he is hoping, trying to create a scenario, say, MPP from penny for person pancho. Say, Oye penny, na say, Ufri party mu, na say party penny, oh, Alan, now ye, on back. I don't know just a party now. I can't so much. Can just abroad. So So the point I'm making is that Adia Oyeno, Adia Alan Ayeno, because Yamawa said, prove yourself to the members of the party for them to elect you. You couldn't prove yourself. And the party that silver plate to say the man provide and go be in the party leader.
Commander. Why? I didn't answer back and they are rebutted the organ.
Yeah, on your cano on Canadam, men got to sort of. Yeah, we are focused. Yeah, campaign. Alan adding a great transformational plan there to our party in government. Vision crowd, we are giving for vision, Yamama to Honum. Any other. So on the where our leader, Echo Castle, how it now it was a joke. Oboko Yeti, what he say, and you know the Yeah, him say Alan we no kwafo. O katamwa wonim near Oka or dwene ho antoaka on katabata. Any ade. Eno ani ye twese Ghana for behwe no more atimi atwa bama no. Amana babeli. Look, and then we are in a total mess because of leadership. What you say? What you honum? Na ye can't ye boy economy super yama me leader no kwa. Yama no kwa mananye. As you catch a baby papa, you have a face, you leader in the year. I made double standard that you think. So on your general. And to get an idea with you, we are branch here, we are Baba. Now we are Obia one new school, Obia school. Now we show future. I mean, look at Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng.
Okay.
Or no, I know why that said.
Okay.
Industrialization of this country must be, I mean, the superior amongst all other. Juma ba anapika ebeba obotom ama tebibia opeta oye wa be contain dance no wetima
okay
na ejuma ni ho onitika obeda no aye sa nyama no
okay
so yema ya jene ye bibia ende Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng.
Okay, yentie Peter for the last time na yem free subject.
That's great. Yes, you see Adeba Kwa Mesre Alan nene nkrofo na chidi for no so omo chese say governance is not only about trade. Governance is not only about trade. The only thing you hear from Alan and his people is about trade. Governance, it involves, it's so a lot. It's so great. Say, to me, who expertise in trade, the longest serving trade minister.
I say in today's edition of the Chronicle, I say, I will restore confidence in Ghana's economy. Well, Alan Cash, is it about trade?
Alan was part of this government for 7 years. Mm-hmm. If the economy was bad, it has not been bad today. He was part of it when it was bad. And you know, and no good one thing, and I won't say bad. Time and I know or no, or better be leader of the party.
But you accepted the economy is bad.
It's not been bad. I think it has been managed very well. So he didn't know what he was saying.
Oh, come on. So when he said he will restore confidence.
Well, how is he going to restore it? Why didn't he restore it when he was the Minister of Trade?
But he chooses to restore now.
No, he should have restored it when he was the minister. He was the minister for
obliged.
And it wasn't under him. And within 1 week, the price of it was under him.
Peter Nyamutre, when you are a minister and your president chooses to place, say, 2 billion to deal with, say, NAPCO, as opposed to 400 million, it's a 5 year trade, a year 1D, 1F. Wouldn't you mean say, me chance by president, me the 400 million by NAPCO, now the 2 billion, me the year 1D, 1F. Can't you choose your priorities like that?
Leaders, choices. Let me tell you, what we did with NAPCO, no, it solved a huge problem.
But he didn't have the responsibility. But he, given the chance, would have said, I would rather do it the other way around.
The budget that has gone into trade and industry under this government has never happened in any government.
400 million cities.
Me say, budget
and then you put 2 billion to do other things.
See,
and then he would say that I will not do it as you are doing it.
Well,
but I will effect changes.
Leadership is about choices. He says he will not do it, but somebody thought that's the best way to solve the youth unemployment.
Why do you think so? No, no, also by an enye.
Me can't say so. Not obey. He has been part of this government. If he thinks the government has not performed, he was part of it.
Has he said that the government has not performed?
That is what the Hopeson is saying. This is the worst government ever. Here's what
Hopeson can't answer.
Now Hopeson, you're an spokesperson for Alan.
Has Alan asked Hopeson?
What he says is the same thing Alan is saying. Alan is saying he said. No, you see, they don't know what they're saying. The fact is,
Alan said,
you see. It's unfortunate to say Peter Katase. It's unfortunate. Natama or very regret some of these things, you know, ever. So Alan is not look.
Okay.
Adagabre. Meet you.
Ghana economy. We are the primo and more.
And the economy is all about trade.
Me say. Se wo ye adwadifo free mu a se economy na bo
ai
apo sika ye gin wo port ni ade nyina enye adwadifo.
Technically the Minister of Trade is technically described as the minister for the economy. The minister for the economy.
If the economy doesn't go well, that's the minister we should blame. I'll make a point here.
Say ayi Ken Ofori Atta egoko gina yi no okenka ne budget. Na ya president instruct no fiasa de we no ontua na nyete no omoye no ono na ya ala na ye jenya hwe bibia ala Kyeremanteng no wochi
Hopeson to benka
me te wonka
okay obi ma wapo ana
oh dabi me kasa
I don't know I don't kasa na breaking
oh sorry me phone na so me ya de akan akere ni bia
hwe no wan ko sign check mistakenly of phone so why I don't. Obi who say why hot to say I heard obey demand. I've go here momo.
Oh, that meanwhile, obi ade me ye ehu nya me ba.
Me enti
GTP no. Alan aputo no into state classes. Some catch you say 15 pillars. No, I've categorized into 6 different classes. Number 1, economic cluster. Number 2, governance cluster. Number 3, infrastructure cluster. Number 4, social services cluster. Then number 5, environment and natural resources cluster. Then the 6th one, behavioral and attitudinal change cluster. These are the idea Alan at the baby boomer.
No, waiting for winning and somewhere called so a year Hopeson Adorye or MPP Papa, who in year Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng, say Hopeson the castle a year propaganda dinner. I say a year amount for a fire Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng, said Obey or Beba MPP. Then the Hopeson say a year a year Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng to just say could be no panacho, and then Hopeson the better a year MPP pay annually that I just say a show, say not the one paper Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng, who soon send be a year Hopeson. ɛna Hopeson so ɛkeka bi kyerɛ no mmɛkɔyɛ nsɛm bebree meka wɔ sɛ GC News so ɛna wɔhwɛ no sɛ wonya subscribe yɛ a mɛsrɛ sɛ wobɛ subscribe no like na wahyɛ video no ama ɔfoforɔ so ɛnya bi na wahwɛ wo so wobɛtumi akyerɛ wadwen afa ɛyɛ nsɛm wo nyinaa ho ɛwɔ comment box mu mobɛte menka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.